Hi, you guys. I'm Phil Town from Rule One Investing, and today I want to talk to you about Robo advisors and why you should never use one. The Robo advisors are one of the hottest topics in financial advising business right now. It's a hot topic for two reasons. First, people without a lot of money are starting to warm up to the idea of maybe having somebody help manage their money. And if a computer algorithm will do it, then why not, right? Because no financial advisor wants to help you if you got 20,000 bucks. And the other side of the warm up is the financial advisors being furious to think that a computer can do what they do. Imagine that. After all these years of these guys concocting CAPM models, all sorts of ratios, and just doing the math to rebalance your portfolio, it never occurred to them that that just might replace them with a computer, which it is doing now. And in fact, I will tell you, if you're intending to use a financial advisor and you have $500,000, unless you want them to structure a trust for you or something like that, a robo advisor is probably going to do as good as any of them out there, which is really, really, really sad if you think about it. So let me tell you why you shouldn't use a robo advisor. If you don't have a lot of money, no financial advisors want to mess with you anyway. So isn't that your only choice, just a robo advisor? Okay, well, first off, what is a robo advisor? It's just an app that manages your money with computer algorithms that follow the advice of the SEC for how you should diversify across a lot of different assets. And this thing relies intensely on modern portfolio theory, which basically says that all stocks are priced correctly all the time. Therefore, you don't need to go out and try to find things that are on sale because nothing's ever on sale. Of course, let's not talk about Warren Buffett or the thousands of investors who've followed him, or Lee Lu, who's made 30% for the last 25 years, or our own students. I just talked to one of our students who made a promise to himself he was going to start with $400,000, which is a pretty good start, and make $5 million in 5 years. It's 4.5 years. He just got his $5 million. So you guys, modern portfolio theory apparently works extremely well in an academic office of an Ivy League college, but out in the real world, not so much. So what does a robo advisor do for you? It's going to guarantee you a really mediocre rate of return and save you paying a real financial advisor any money to do the exact same thing. So why shouldn't you use one? Because come on, you guys, a mediocre return is not going to get you where you want to go. If you want to be financially independent, if you want to be free of the restraints of constantly having to worry about working for a living the rest of your life, when who knows what's happening with companies out there in the brave new world we're living in, then you might want to think a little bit like my friend Mitch, who just did this amazing thing with 400 grand. Maybe you're not starting with 400,000, maybe you're starting with 40, but heck, man, it still means you got 500,000 bucks in a few years. So ultimately, you're going to do far better by yourself if you do your own research and learn how to invest properly. You could shave decades off your retirement date. All you got to do to get learning on this stuff is just go to our workshop. We got a transformational virtual workshop. We do one very, very regularly. Every once in a while, I get out there and I'll do one with you guys. We'll bring in 100 coaches to work with you, 150 coaches, and we'll teach you how to build a high-performance portfolio with less risk and more confidence than even you can do by yourself. We'd love to do that with you guys. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you use a robo-advisor? And what's your experience been like so far? Now, leave a comment below with your answer and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching. Now go play. If you enjoyed this video and you think it was valuable in teaching you more about why you should never use a robo-advisor, hit the like button and please share the video with your friends. And if you want more investing content, just subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. So thanks again for watching.